Wai Pakalkain?
Wai kwai kwachen.
Haj Krami Pakalkain.
Luta krami pakkelkein. Pakkelkein het stocht. Okay. Het stocht die swarachen.
Lut het stoch die swarakken het kram. Het stocht stonnig.
Luta het stocht die stonnig. Is stonnig het kram.
Nekom.
Het krami zich.
Lut het krami tik. Het stocht tik. Why didn't we that weekend, Chen?
Wai nena is het weekend chen.
Why has khalkhalte pesnak selig is quest qoyachen. Usha khai Knxcutens Language. Hello, good day, my relatives. My name is Levi Bent, and this is the help tutorial for the N1 book. Today's lesson 36, Itamilch, animals. Let's get right into it. Ho hoi, kuan chow chint. Repeat after me. Hach kram iswarakchen. Ki kram iswarakchen. Hach tucht arasik. Lutach tucht arasik. Hach kram stonnig. Ki kram stonnig. Hach tucht gat. Ki tucht gat. Hach kram kawilig. Ke kram kawilig. Hach tucht tik. Ke tucht tik. Hach kram lik. Lutach krami lik. Hach tucht wascha. Ki tucht wascha. Hach kram pakalkain. Lutach kram pakalkain. Hach tucht mamukchen. Ki tucht mamukchen. Why has this kolam pepes nakselig or lapanach hoiwe or accent is plimchen. Hach kram swarakchen. Ki kram swarakchen. Hach tucht arsik. Lutach tucht arsik. Hach kram stonnig. Ki kram stonnig. Hach tucht gat. Ki tucht gat. Hach kram kawilig. Ki kram kawilig. Hach tuhti tsiku tsiku. Kich tuhti tsiku tsiku. Hach kram I lik lik. Lutach karami lik lik. Hach tucht I mamukchen. Ki ich tucht I mamukchen. Hach karami pakol kain. Lutach karami pakol kain. Hach tucht I waswascha. Ki ich tucht I waswascha. Why hastish chkolam pe pesnak seiluch. Otlapna pikskin hetem tauninach. In this lesson 36, I'd like to talk about that little C that's on front of the verb. Chkram kam tucht. There's a C on the end of that, on the front of that word. In linguistics, they call it a customary C, an intransitive customary. And all that means is that's what it does. Not just once or twice, but that's its custom. So when we're talking about these animals, does it swim? It's not saying did it swim. Does it swim? Ha echkram iswarakchen. I could even ask you, ha kuchkram. Do you swim? You could answer ki kinchkram, or you could say lutkintachkram. I don't swim. So there is also another way to use that C. It is also directive. When I say chhoich, you hear that chhoich, that means come here. And if I say hoich, hoich, go over there. So don't get those confused. It's the same sound used in different ways. You're going to start to recognize these sounds the further you go into the language. I just want to give you some hints along the way. Why hastes chkolamp or ninuis et wiklemen?